Dear students, today we will discuss about some basic maths of the chapter 4 multiplication of algebraic expression exercise 4.1, and this is lesson 2. Before starting, I would like to say if you like my lecture, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So let us start the problem. First we will try to understand the multiplication of monomial multiplied by the monomial. So monomial expression multiplied by monomial expression. So look example 1, 5x square y4. So this is a one term expression. So this is called monomial expression. And 3x square y cube. This is one term expression. So this is called monomial expression. So here we are multiplying a monomial expression by a monomial and other monomial expressions. So let us start how to multiply this thing. Look here, these multiplied by these. So when we multiply, first what we have to do, we have to separate the numerical value and take that thing at the beginning of the multiplication. Then make a group of x. Here is x square, here is x square. So make a group of x square. Then here is y4, here is y4. So group another group of y. So then we have a group of numerical value, a group of x variable, a group of y variable. Now multiply 5 with 3, 15, and since this is the multiplication of exponent, so power will be added. Similarly, this is the multiplication of exponent, so power will be also added, because here base is same y, here is also base same y, base same x. So now 15 will be remain same, power will be added, 2 plus 2 4, x4, the result will be x4, and y power plus 4 plus 3, so result will be y7. So at last we will get 15 x4 y4. This is the results of the multiplication. Then example 2. Multiply a monomial expression by another monomial expression, but look, here is a minus sign. So how we have to multiply this type of things? Look here, we will multiply this by this, but when we will multiply like the previous one, we will take the numerical value first. Then we will make a group of a. Here is a square, here is a. So we will go make a group of a. Then here is x, here is x cube. So we will make another group of x. Here is y square, there is no y square, so there will be no group of y square. Y square will be remain single here. There is also be single here. Now 6 multiplied by 12 because 72, and this minus sign will go before of this thing. Now this is a square a. So power base same power. This is the base same exponent number. Here is a means a to the power 1. So we are going to multiply the exponent numbers. So when we will multiply the exponent number, the power will be added, a to the power 2 plus 1. Then here x means x to the power 1. So power will be added. Base same. This is the multiplication of exponents. So power will be added, 1 plus 3. And b remains single, a also, y square also remains single. So at last what we are getting here, minus 72 a cube b x4 y square. So in total, after the multiplication, the product will be minus 72 a cube b x4 y square. Here look, we are writing the answer in a order. First a come, then b, then x, then y. So you also have to write the answer in a specific order according to the English alphabets. Now example 3, multiply this by this monomial expression by another monomial expression, but you look here, here is a minus sign, here is also minus sign. So how we have to multiply these things? So when we will multiply this by this, then we will take the numerical value at the first, then make a group of a. Here is a cube, here is a, so make a group of a. Here is b, here is b5, so another group, make here b multiplied by b5. Here is c5, here is c square, so make another group c5 and c square. Now look what we are getting, minus minus will be plus. When minus and minus will be multiplied, result will be plus, and 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. A cube a, so base same a, so power will be added. Here b, base same, power will be added, 1 plus 5. Here is also base same, power will be added according to the multiplication law of exponent, 5 plus 2. Then what we are getting here, 20 a4 b6 c7. So at last we will get 20 a4 b6 c7. Now we will try to understand polynomial multiplied by polynomial. That means we will multiply the polynomial expression by a monomial expression. Example 4. Here look, 5x square y plus 7xy square is a polynomial expression. There are two terms, so we are calling this thing polynomial expressions, and we are multiplying by a monomial expression 5x cube y cube. So when we will multiply a polynomial by a monomial, then what will happen? These will be multiplied with this, and these will be also multiplied with this. So 5x square y, and then 5x cube y cube, and 7xy square, then this one 5x cube y cube. Now we'll multiply these both of two part like the previous one. For this part, 5 take to the front, then x square x cube will make a group, y cube will make a group. Then for this part, take 7 and 5 to the front, then take x and x cube in a group, y square y cube in another group. Then what will be result? 5 25 x square x cube. So power will be added, base same power will be added, x to the power 2 plus 3. Here is also base same power will be added, 1 plus 3. 5 and 7, 7 and 5 multiplied will be answer 35. And here is x cube. So power 1 3, power will be added 1 plus 3. Here y square y cube. So power will be added 2 plus 3. Now we are getting 25 x5 y4. Here 35 x4 y5. Now we are going to multiply monomial multiplied by monomial. That means we are going to multiply monomial expressions by another monomial expressions. Look here, here is a expressions of two terms, so we are calling this thing monomial expression, polynomial expressions. Here is another expression of two terms, this is also called polynomial expressions. So now let us try to understand how to do this math. So this part will be multiplied by this part. So first we will take 3x, then these whole things with this x plus y. Then multiply this 2y by these whole things x plus y. Now multiply for this part, multiply 3x with x and 3x with y. For this part, multiply 2y with x and 2y with y. Then this is 3x x square, 3xy, 2xy, and 2yy y square. So at last what will get? 3x square, 3xy, 2xy. So it will be 5xy, and here is 2y square, even same. So this is the final results. So I'm going to give another examples of the multiplication of polynomial by the polynomial is multiplying 2x square plus 3x minus 4 by 3x square minus 4x minus 5. Look how to multiply this polynomial by this polynomial. When you multiply this thing by this, so this is the multiplicand, this is the multiplier. Now take here, fix one part, then multiply by the another part. So I am going to fix this thing. So here is 2x square multiplied by the whole these things, 3x square minus 4x and 5. Then fix this part 3x, then multiply by these whole things, 3x square minus 4x minus 5. Then fix minus 4 here, multiply these whole things, 3x square minus 4x minus 5. Now here 2, 3, 6, x square, x4. 2, 4, 8, x square, x cube. 2, 5, 10 and x square. Now for this part 3, 3, 9, x square, x cube. 3, 4, 12, x square. 3 and 5, there is minus here. So minus 15 and x will come here. Now for this part, this minus 4, 3x square. That means minus 12x square. Minus 4, minus 4x. So minus minus plus 16x. Minus 4, minus 5. So minus minus plus 4 and 5, 20. So after this thing, at last we will get 6x4, then this. But now what we are getting at last, 6x4, then here is x cube, here is x cube. So here is 9, here is 8. So after the subtraction we will get x cube. For x square, here is x square, here is x square, x square. So 12, 14, 24 and this 10, that means 34x square. Now here is 15x, here is 16x. So here is plus, here is minus. So we will get plus x, and last we will 20. So this is the final result of this multiplication of a polynomial by another polynomial. So if you like my lecture, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much.